In every corner of the globe, people yearn for peace. A peaceful world starts with harmonious relations between people, communities, states, and nations. It starts with freedom in the mind, freedom from pain, burden, and stress for all humankind. It starts with knowing we are one. Perhaps our journey has just begun. For anyone who's ready for a change, let's restart, remake, rearrange. For anyone who knows there must be a better way, join us, World Meditation Day, May 21st. For peace in our heart and peace in our world, let's unite.